Yes. We are going to open this one.
Hello everyone, I am Stella and this is my daughter Justine. Welcome to vlog. Today we are going to set up a camping tent here at the rooftop of our house. We have bought a camping tent online and today is the first time to set up this camping tent.
Yeah.
Join us guys as we assemble
Now our
this camping tent.
Silvice, you mean this? Yes. What's Silvice? That. Oh.
So, this is now our tent.
Why is there two?
You want to sleep here?
When I walk on them.
Yeah, it will tusok you. Ano yung
My stupid.
complicated dito natin sa ginagawa mo? This is the what's that? I think this tent is for good for ano. It seems that this is a very big seems to be a very big tent.
Are you sure that everybody can fit there?
Huh?
Are you sure everyone can fit there?
I think so. I think this is already. So here you go. This is the
Cloud.
there. Go there, and I will give you a land for the go.
Come on here, traders. Land.
If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, we appreciate so much if you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell down below so you will be updated on our next videos. You may also click that like button and share our video so others can also watch it. Thank you so much for your generous support.
Enough. Ay, may disot ka tayo.
Pag may tanay, back to back yun yung ano. Back to back yun lang.
We also want to know your ideas about camping on the rooftop. Kindly share it on the comment section and from what place you are watching right now.
I'm close.
Cloud.
Yes, close. You can put them there, and I will get them when I put them.
Okay, I'll just stay here and wait. When it's closed. Is the tent almost done?
Done already.
Don't bother.
Why?
Puro ko ada tahalo ako.
Careful with the silver. Okay?
The silver? Is this what I'm talking about? This is where my foot can relax. You need to be careful when you go near to the edge. I'm just waiting. Are you done with the pen?
Yes. It's done already.
Just wait for
You wait for the foam because it's still inside. There's the foam coming. Oh, excuse me.
Excuse you. Here's your lot of gold. I've drained it. You just break it.
Okay.
You just break my eye.
Now ready. There. Oh, you wanna go there inside?
Yes.
Oh, come on. Go inside.
This is my
You
island
remove
now.
your slippers.
This is my island now.
Close.
Go to your stupid island.
Stupid. I don't say that. That's no good. Okay. So you stay there.
It's close. It's close your... Let's go.
Sit down, Kayla, Daddy. Oh. How are you?
Good.
Are you good?
Yes.
Good inside?
Yes.
Okay. So Jet is inside. Now we are ready for cooking. Let's
I already
grill.
have my bread.
Huh?
Hey, where's my bread?
Bread.
Where's my merienda?
You stay there.
I need to get my merienda. But Tita,
What?
how are we gonna open it when we're inside and sleeping?
Tita knows how to do.
I'll get my merienda down there.
Alright. Phew.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch our next video.